Are you looking to sharpen your critical thinking skills? Here are 5 books that will make you think critically. Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. This book explores the 2 different ways our brains process information and how they impact our decision-making. The Art of Thinking Clearly by Rolf Debelly. Discover common thinking errors that can lead to flawed decision-making and how to avoid them. The Demon-Haunted World by Carl Sagan. This book explores the importance of scientific skepticism and critical thinking in an age of misinformation. The Structure of Scientific Revolutions by Thomas S. Kuhn. This book challenges the traditional view of scientific progress and introduces the concept of paradigm shifts. How to Read a Book by Mortimer Adler and Charles Van Doren. Learn how to read actively and critically and how to get the most out of your reading.